Good morning, my dear students. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter number 4, matter, solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, before starting our topic, let's discuss about matter. In your previous class, also, you all have studied about the matter, that anything that has anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Okay, as you can see here, there are different things: mobile phone, a notepad, a balloon, and this balloon air is filled, you all know, and tumbler, water is filled in this tumbler. These all the materials are occupying the space and having some mass. So these all are the examples of matter. Okay, so now let's discuss more about the matter. You all know about the states of matter? Like, I have shown you a mobile phone here. You can see this mobile phone is having a fixed shape and it is rigid. So, it is the solid state of matter. Solid, and you can see the water filled in this tumbler. Okay, this water is the liquid state of the matter. And if we talk about the air filled in this balloon, this air is an example of gaseous state of water: solid, liquid, and gas. These are the three states of matter. And about these three states of matter, we will discuss in our next video. So today we will discuss only the basic concepts about the matter. Everything in this world including plants, animals, human beings, air, water, rocks, soil, plastic, metals, wood, paper, everything is matter. As all these objects or all these materials are occupying space and having some mass, that's why these all are the examples of matter. Now, matter is made up of molecules. Okay, means if we break our matter into smaller pieces and then we break those smaller pieces again and again, then we will get the smallest unit with which all the matter is formed, and that smallest particle is the molecule. Okay, so a molecule is the smallest particle of a substance that shows all the properties of a substance. And a very special feature about these molecules is that we cannot see the molecules with our naked eyes. We cannot see molecules with our naked eyes. Means we can see the molecules only with the help of microscope, not with the help of our eyes. Okay, so about molecules, let's perform an activity to show that matter is made up of molecules. Okay, so let's start our activity. Here I have taken a few sugar crystals and crushed them with the help of a rolling pin. See, I am crushing the sugar crystals with the help of a rolling pin. Okay, as you can see here, that sugar crystals, they have changed into a powder. Okay, as you can see here. Now, if we will observe this powder with the help of a magnifying glass, I am not having magnifying glass this time, but if we will observe this powder with the help of a magnifying glass, we will observe that this sugar is made up of even tinier molecules, and if we keep on breaking these tiny particles further and further, a stage will come when it cannot be divided any further. Okay, means if we keep on dividing the sugar molecules again and again, a stage will reach when the tiniest particle will not divide anymore, and that tiniest particle will be the molecule of the sugar. Okay, and each sugar crystal, as you can see here, this is a sugar crystal, and each sugar crystal is made up of many small sugar molecules. Okay, so with the help of this activity, we can say that matter is made up of tiny particles or smallest particle that we can call molecules. Okay, so this was all about the matter. I am repeating all the things once again, that anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter, and there are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas, and about these three states we will discuss later. Then I told you that everything in this world, including plants, animals, human beings, air, water, rocks, soil, plastic, metals, wood and paper, everything is matter, as these all are occupying the space and having some mass. Okay, then I told you that matter is made up of molecules. And what are the molecules? A molecule is the smallest particle of a substance that shows all the properties of a substance. Like you can see here, these are the molecules, these are the smallest small molecules of the sugar, and these are having the same property just like sugar, means these are also sweet in taste. Okay, so we can say that a molecule is the smallest particle of a substance that shows all the properties of a substance, and we cannot see molecules with our naked eyes. Okay, then I have shown you this activity, and this activity shows that a substance or a matter is made up of molecules. Okay, this is only the sugar powder. These are not the molecules, because molecules we cannot see with our naked eyes. Okay, but if we crush this powder further or again and again, then we will get the sugar molecules. Okay, so this was all about the matter. Thank you and have a nice day.